girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton. Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito or a grand purse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not ran mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm a home man.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same experience, love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we been waiting. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look and jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you're ready. You'll try to come back when you fail.
So y'all, I attempted to like add these curls to the hair. They're just not giving. So I am actually going to like flat iron my hair again. because I'm just not feeling it right now. Like it was holding a curl, but it didn't hold a curl at the same time. So if you do curl this hair, make sure you use like hairspray or something. But I'm kind of mad about it because I literally like spent a good 30 minutes just like on adding the curls at the end when I could have just left it how it was. And it like all I literally did was just like go change my clothes so I could do the outro and come back, and the curls are just like done for. If you do decide to curl this hair, just make sure you use like hairspray and then go ahead and pin your curls. But I am gonna go ahead and quickly flat iron my hair. And normally I don't do this during an outro, but I literally just turned my camera back on and just looked at my hair, and I was just like, what is this? So I'm gonna flat iron the hair. As you guys saw though, this hair flat iron is absolutely amazing. This is one of those units, in my opinion, that's probably best left in a flat iron state because the hair is so straight. So while we're, you know, flat ironing our hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the outro for this video, which is very unusual for me because typically, you know, I would, you know, come here with the finished look, but by the time I get done talking, we're gonna be at the finished look. Okay. This unit, first off, is a 4x4 closure. Okay, it is 26 inches long, and as far as the density for this one, I would say the density is probably around like 180% density. It could be a little bit thicker than that because this unit is actually pretty full. This will be very quick and easy to actually flat iron. This unit is from Hairsmarket. Shout out to Hairsmarket for working with me today and sending over another gorgeous unit. I've really been liking them lately. I reviewed quite a few units from them as of lately, and I really do like all of the hair that they sent me. They haven't sent one unit over that I didn't like, but I just feel like there are certain units that are just meant to be how they come. Like certain units that are straight, when it comes to straight hair, and they have a difficult time staying curled. The best hair to curl is curly hair, honestly. Like, especially if you want to do like wand curls or something like that, doing it on curly hair is the best. Like, the curls are gonna last forever. I just wanted to give like some kind of wave like on the perimeter, but it just ain't waving. It's not wavy, man. But we giving 26-inch bust down straight vibes, because this is what it was giving, but it's just like it don't give nothing. You know what I mean? That's why I'm like, I might as well just leave it straight and just have a little cool little, you know, middle part moment. I just been doing a lot of middle part, like straight middle parts, so I just wanted to do something a little bit different. But as you guys can see, this hair is just so pretty. Like I said, it's 26 inches long, so it's really, really long. And you guys know me, I love me a good long unit, so that was perfect for me. But yeah, it's the fact that I'm doing this in an outro, because it's like y'all literally just watched me flat iron my hair just to watch me re-flat iron it out after watching me curl it. Like, girl, a waste of time. Just a waste of time. Now, the other thing that I really do like about this unit is the fit to it. Because this unit fits so snug on me, I didn't have to like add any product to adhere the unit. So this is a glueless install. If you guys are wondering, I did do a glueless install today. No Got2B spray, no gel or anything like that. I didn't even do any baby hairs. Like, I just wanted you guys to see, you know, the true vibe of the hair. I didn't want to have to do all of that. I feel like it looked fine without baby hairs, but if that is something that, you know, you prefer, then definitely go the baby hair route. Because I feel like sometimes we be using the baby hair like as a crutch for the unit, you know what I mean? Like, the hair is decent, but we be using the baby hairs to like cover up the hairline, because, you know, the lace don't be melting like that. But if the lace ain't, you know, looking too crazy, I don't mind, you know, going baby hair free. But if the lace look crazy, I'm for sure gonna add that baby hair every time. But yeah, as far as the parting space, this is a 4x4 closure, but I feel like the parting space goes back pretty far on this unit. So if you like a really deep part, you're really gonna like this unit, because look how deep the part is on here. Like, the part is like pretty deep. And look how silky straight and how quick and easy I was able to do that. And now you guys can really see like how pretty this hair is. I do like have some flyaways in this unit. I don't know if y'all can see one right there, but yeah, there are flyaways in this unit. There's actually a lot of short hairs here in the front. I don't know what that's about, because it's on both sides, like even in the back. What you want to do is get yourself some foaming mousse, put that in your palm and your hand, rub it on both sides. Boop. So just get your Got2B spray. Spray that down. And voila. No more flyaways, no more nothing. And surprisingly, I didn't even use a hot comb today, like to flat iron like the roots or nothing. And it still laid pretty flat, so I'm happy about that as well. But let me go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me, because it's absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. So it's pretty long. And then towards the back. On me, this unit fits more like a 30-inch because it is so long and I am so short. Yeah, bomb, simple unit, nothing too crazy today. But I did still want to share this one with you guys because I actually really do like the quality. The quality is what's really getting it for me, because there's a lot of units that are like, there's a lot of people who sell straight hair, but not all straight hair is the same. Like some straight hair is like regular. This would be like above average for me because I love how silky straight it is, and it's just like really bomb and flowy. You know, like you can look at it and just tell like it's bomb. And one thing that I will say, that if you really want your hair to be flowy, try not to add too many things to it if you can. Even though I put like the heat protectant spray, if you guys notice, this time around I didn't spray like every single like layer of my hair. I sprayed it before I actually put the unit on, and then I just like flat iron, like combed the spray through and then just flat iron my hair regular instead of going on every strand, because I feel like when you do that, you're like weighing the hair down. We don't need too much of it, and I feel like because I didn't add so much of it, it came out so pretty and flowy. And you can just look at it and just tell this is like some really good quality straight hair. Like this is that Instagrammable straight hair, like when you walk it's gonna like flow with you, and it's glueless, y'all. So you know, you can pick it up, put it back down, you know, quick wear and go type of vibe. If you're in a rush, you wake up late and you're like, oh my god, I'm late, like you don't have time to do your hair, like this is gonna be that unit that you put on and you be like, okay, boom, I'm good. Like that's just one less thing to worry about. So really do like this unit for that matter. But I am like really sad that it wasn't holding a curl, so that would be the only like con for me today, is just the fact that it doesn't really hold a curl that well. But yeah, all in all, as you guys can see, she's a gorgeous unit. Didn't have to do much like to help it make it look this good, and it's so silky and flowy. It's not shedding all over the place. So yeah, shout out to Hairsmarket for sending over this amazing unit. Look how it just flows. Like what? Excuse me? She just flows so bomb. So if you want to get this beautiful flowy silky 26-inch unit, definitely check out Hairsmarket. I will leave a direct link to this unit down below. I want to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers out there for watching, showing me so much love and support, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.